Windshield wipers keep time with my breath. City's bleeding out, trying not to look left. Dispatches hurry, my hands say pray. Every green light feels like a debt I'll pay. Rain drums hard on the roof of this car, like it knows exactly where my secrets are. There's a storm in the radio, static and pain. Every call sign sounds like a last name. It's just sirens in the rain. Echo off the block, red and blue baptism on the ticking of the clock. Every puddle's got a memory, every street's got a name. I don't run from the thunder, I drop straight into the flame. If I don't make it home, let it wash away the blame. I'm just another shadow with sirens in the rain. Corner store lights flicker like a dying star. Man on the sidewalk saying life went too far. I kneel down slow, keep my voice low and clear, trying to talk him back from the edge of his fear. His hands shake like leaves in November cold. Mine do too, but that never gets told. I see my reflection in his desperate eyes. Two different roads, same midnight skies. It's just sirens in the rain, cutting through the dark. Every flash a warning, every stop a spark. The city holds its breath when it hears my name. I don't chase the glory, I chase the pain. If I don't make it home, let it wash away the blame. I'm just another shadow with sirens in the rain. I've learned how to stand in the worst of it all, how to stay upright when good men fall. There's a line in the storm I cross every night, between doing what's legal and doing what's right. Sun's still hours away, coffee's gone cold. Another report, another story told. Somewhere a family sleeping safe tonight. They'll never know my name, and that's alright. It's just sirens in the rain, one more long drive, trying to keep stranger alive. Every mile I carry a little more strain, every badge rusts slow in the rain. If I don't make it home, let it wash away the blame. I'm just another shadow with sirens in the rain. When the storm finally breaks and the streets go quiet again, I'll still hear calling those sirens in the rain.